So, for instance, on the form automation side, an example of this is if you have a recorded training session inside of Teams, Copilot can build a follow-up plan on that team, put it into something like Planner, assign out all those tasks to people based on the feedback it's getting from the transcript out of the training session. And then once those tasks are assigned to your team, Planner helps you follow up on those, and Copilot interacts with Planner. So you've got this interactive, hey, you've got due dates coming up, or so-and-so has too many due dates coming up. Do you need to, what do you want to do with these? Do we want to push them out? Do we want to put another person on that team to get some of those tasks done? PowerPoint summarization, they've done some improvements in the PowerPoint space within Copilot. So not really super new and flashy, but PowerPoint's getting better at dealing with AI. One of the things that they've been focusing on over the last couple months is this ability to take large volumes of data, so like a long product overview or a big long 17-page executive summary, and then summarize it down not only to give you a summary of what's in that paragraph, but to do it in presentation format, bullet points or different slides, and then discussion topics about each one of those slides. So a little bit more intelligent actions inside of PowerPoint. The last one on this one is organizational insights. This is more of like a data-driven layer within Microsoft Copilot. This is something intended to help managers and those people that have reports to understand their workforce a little bit better. So we've got AI-powered analytics from 365 tools like Teams and Outlook and Viva, and you get surfaced insights about things like skill coverage or gaps, collaboration patterns, team workloads, and so on and so forth. So if you're thinking about this in the space of, I need a designer who works with Figma, right? Being able to ask Copilot about my workforce base tells me, so-and-so, Jason's got experience working with Figma and he's got availability and a schedule next week. Do you want me to block off some time with him? And so that's the idea of the organizational insights. That's the surfacing of skills. The surfacing of gaps would be something like asking which departments are stretched thin. Obviously, this is dependent on people filling out their calendars and that kind of thing, but which departments are stretched thin? Copilot can return a dashboard based on workload telemetry. And so you get gap analysis and the idea that before it becomes a problem, you're recognizing that this department may not be able to reach their targets because they're just stretched too thin, too busy.